Hi there, my name is Sebastian, the owner of Lava Salt, and today I'm going to teach you how to use my smoked lemon chili salt with a bit of infused pepper in it and serve that with some fantastic ocean trout. Ocean trout, one of my favorite fish, extremely healthy, comes from Tassie, and you can just see that beautiful color that's actually on the fish. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut them ready. Just a beautiful bite-sized fillet. So I'm just going to go pick that just straight through, nice and smooth. Look at that. One more, just like that. And you can just see how colorful and how vibrant is this fish. Absolutely gorgeous. And there you go. 4 beautiful fillets of fish. Perfect for my recipe today. To this fish, what I'm going to do is very gently score. So when you score fish, the first thing you want to do is pinch the edges so the skin gets a bit tight, and just run your knife in one serrated motion, not too deep. Just use the weight of your knife, just cut straight through. Beautifully scored fish. Just going to leave that here. One little tip I want to give you as well: whenever you're actually searing fish, it's always good to actually leave the fish at room temperature before you actually sear it. Leave it up for a bit. You're going to get a much better quality and much better look and doneness as well with the fish. Alright, so to this fish we're just going to add some beautiful tomato salsa. So I've got some tomatoes, I've got some beautiful homemade olives and some sorrel and some mint and some basilico, to which I'm just going to add some lemon in the end and just serve it as fresh as possible. With this kind of fish, you don't want too much with the fish. Just keep it simple, keep it easy. So, got my beautiful smoked lemon chili salt. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that smoke on there. And just season just the skin with the fish. Very, very lightly. Look at that. Always seasoned from a height, so you're going to get a much better spread on the actual fish. Look at that. Looks fantastic. Get it out of the pan. And I'm just going to build that to the heat. All I've done with the tomatoes, I've actually just diced them. Pretty easy, pretty simple. And with the olives, all I'm going to do is just cut them in half. Just like that. Just going to take this. These olives actually got a pit in them, so I'm just going to get just some of them shaved out. What I've done with that lemon chili salt is that I've actually made some smoked lemon chili butter, and this is what I'm going to actually use to actually roast my fish in. Here I've got my ocean trout, skin side down. You just want to make sure that skin is nice and crisp. You can just smell those aromas. And now, just when that's just about to turn, and you're about to actually give that a bit of color, you want to get a couple of thyme stalks. That is just so good. And I'm just going to add those lemon stalks on top of the trout. Now you've actually seen you shouldn't be only cooking this for not more than 3.5 minutes. And there you go. Beautiful. Look at that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. That smell, the lemon thyme permeating through. I'm just going to let that rest in the fat. And I'm going to start doing my salsa. So for the salsa, this is a very, very simple, easy and quick salsa that you want to do. Not too much of pan time, not more than 40 seconds on the pan. Build up the heat, add a bit of lemon oil. This is going to be your sauce. A little more. You don't want to cook that oil too much. Look at that, beautiful. I've got some garlic in here that I'm just going to very, very quickly slice nice and thin. Just cut them like long little slivers. This is actually referred to as a sofrito. You don't want to actually burn the garlic, you just want to just get those essential oils out of the garlic. Look at that. As soon as it starts to fizzle, you know that there's some beautiful cooking magic right there. So that garlic is about to turn. Now you want to add your tomatoes, add your olives, oh, look at that. Just give that a good toss. You don't want to actually overcook the tomatoes, you just want to still keep their texture. Now some of that, just a bit of my smoked lemon chili salt again. Some nice bit of sprinkling of that seasoning in there. And just to bring it together, a couple of mint leaves. That looks so good. All the beautiful colors of these gorgeous tomatoes that really makes it so magical and special. A small cheek of lemon in the pan. And the moment you add your lemon, your sauce is ready. Take it off the heat. Just gonna do a bit of a quick seasoning just to make sure I'm happy with the salt. Oh, look at that. It just like nestled in that pan with that residual heat, and you can just see how the tomatoes have just softened just a touch but not overcooked. It's gonna taste a little bit. Oh wow. That buttery, roasty goodness just come through. It's just absolutely fantastic.